Which rear tine tiller is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Lawnmaster TE1216M. We have the Lawnmaster TE1216M electric tiller. Priced at $116.99, this electric tiller caught my attention with its impressive 16-inch cutting width and 9-inch cutting depth. If you want a reliable machine to tackle tough garden soil, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The 6 steel blades are rust-resistant and designed to cut through the toughest terrain, making it perfect for breaking up compacted soil. With a 2-stage gearbox driving system, it can handle tough jobs without overheating. Plus, the adjustable transit wheel allows for easy maneuverability, so you won't be fighting against it while you work. Honestly, with over 800 sold just this month, it's clear that many are finding it effective. Now, some people complained about the weight. I get it. It weighs a bit more than some lightweight options. But here's the thing. The added weight gives it stability and power, making it easier to till deep into the soil. If you're serious about gardening, that slight inconvenience might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a larger garden or need to prepare tougher soil. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option that you can carry around easily. For its price, it offers solid performance and durability.
Product number 2, Inkbo Electric Rototiller. The Inkbo Electric Rototiller, available for $109.99. Right off the bat, the unique spur feature caught my eye. If you're looking for a tiller that helps reduce fatigue while working, this one's definitely a contender. The 10.5 amp motor packs a punch, allowing for a tilling width of 12 inches and a depth of 8 inches. That's pretty impressive for a tiller at this price point. The overload protection is a big plus too. If it gets stuck, it automatically shuts off, helping you avoid any damage. That's peace of mind while you're working in your garden. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit difficult to control if you're not used to it. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the spur really helps with the forward force, and you'll find it less tiring. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized garden and want something efficient. Skip this one if you're looking for a tiller with more power for larger plots. For its price, it offers great value and a unique feature that many other tillers lack. Product number 3, Gelidolite Cordless Garden Tiller. Third on the list is the Gelidolite 20V Cordless Garden Tiller, priced at $99.99. What really stood out to me is its compatibility with DeWalt 20V Max batteries. If you already own DeWalt tools, this will fit right in with your collection. This tiller has a 9-inch tilling width and 7-inch depth, powered by a robust 300-watt motor that delivers 360 RPM. It's designed for fast, professional-grade soil preparation, which is exactly what you need when you're getting ready for planting. Plus, the battery gauge is super helpful, letting you know how much power you have left while you work. Now, some users express concerns about runtime, especially in hard-packed soil. I'll be real with you, if you're dealing with tough ground, you might find yourself needing to recharge sooner than expected. But for regular garden use, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want the freedom of cordless operation and a manageable size. Skip this one if you have extensive hard soil to tackle. The price is decent for a cordless option, especially if you already have compatible batteries.
Product number 4, Melif 40V Cordless Tiller. We have the Melif 40V Cordless Brushless Tiller, retailing for $159.99. The dual battery system caught my attention right away. If you're looking for extended runtime and power, this one delivers. With a 14.2-inch working width and 8.7-inch depth, it can cover more ground faster. The brushless motor adds efficiency, giving you 30% more runtime while minimizing wear. That's crucial for longer gardening sessions. Plus, the foldable design is a bonus for storage, making it easy to tuck away when not in use. However, some reviews pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for smaller users. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger area to work on, that bulk translates into better performance. This is perfect for you if you manage larger gardens and need something powerful. Skip this one if you have limited storage space or need something ultra compact. In terms of value, it's a solid investment for serious gardeners. Product number 5, Maxmore Cordless Tiller. The Maxmore Brushless Cordless Tiller, priced at $89.99. I was surprised by how lightweight it is, at just 11 pounds. If you want something easy to handle, especially for smaller tasks, this might be the one for you. It features 48 steel tines with a tilling width of 10 inches and can dig up to 7 inches deep. This makes it perfect for quickly breaking up compact soil. and the efficient brushless motor ensures you get more done with less energy. The adjustable handle is a nice touch for comfort as well. Some users mention that it might not have enough power for larger jobs. I get that concern, but honestly, for small to medium gardens, it's just the right fit. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need a lightweight option for basic tilling tasks. Skip this one if you have extensive areas to cover that require more power. For the price, it's an excellent entry-level tiller.
So, we've covered a range of options, from the stable Lawn Master to the lightweight Max More. Each of these rear tine tillers has its strength, so consider what you need most for your garden. Whether you're a novice or a gardening pro, one of these should fit the bill.